ACDelco GM OE antennas have signal strength, clarity, and signal interference protection. Made with durable materials to withstand exposure to harsh weather and car washes. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GM OE. Manufactured to GM OE specification for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment radio antenna mast receives the over-the-air OTA radio station signals for your vehicle's radio receiver, and are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. Damaged or corroded antennas can impair radio station reception. These original equipment radio antenna masts have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Can't beat OEM. Works great. Pulls in all my stations. I don't know if OnStar works from this antenna, but OnStar in Wi-Fi works.